Hello and welcome to this NOCN training video for our Essential Digital Skills qualification. This is a short demonstration of how to complete Part 2 of your NOCN Essential Digital Skills assessment using the NOCN assessment platform. A separate video is available which covers Part 1 of your assessment. After completing Part 1 of your assessment, you will immediately proceed to Part 2, which is a series of scenario-based questions. Please read the instructions carefully. Please note that you will need to access the internet to complete Part 2 of your assessment and a device that is capable of taking photos as well as recording audio and video. Please be aware of how much time you have to complete this part of your assessment. In this example, the learner has 70 minutes to complete Part 2. The timer for Part 2 will not start until you hit the Start button. The timer will count down the time left to complete your assessment. You can flag a question you would like to come back to by clicking on the flag in the top right-hand corner. When you have completed a question, please click on the arrow at the bottom right-hand side of your screen. You will need to take some screenshots to complete many of the questions in Part 2. If you include a screenshot that you would like to delete, you can click on the Undo button. You can see which number you are on by looking at the bar at the top of your screen or at the bottom centre of your screen. You can keep track of which questions you have flagged and completed in the Assessment tab on the right-hand side of your screen. Some questions may require you to do some research on the internet. You can do this by opening a new tab on your browser. Some questions will ask you to click to navigate to a web page. You will then use this web page to complete some of the tasks in the questions. To get back to your assessment, please click on the correct tab at the top of your screen. This is an example of a web page you may be asked to navigate to complete a task for your assessment. When you get to this screen, you have completed Part 2 of your assessment and all the scenario-based questions. If you scroll through the observation tasks in Part 3, you will see that they are blank. This is because the observations take place out of the assessment platform. Your tutor will arrange with you a suitable time for your observation tasks, so once you reach this screen, you need to check you are happy with all your previous answers. If you would like to check your answers, please click the arrow at the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Click the Finish button to go to your summary page. This is your assessment summary page. The 5 unanswered questions in this example are the observation tasks which will be conducted by your tutor. Please note that the number of observation tasks varies between assessments, but you'll usually have between 4 and 6 observation tasks to complete. If you would like to check your answers, please click on the Return to Assessment button. When you're ready, you can click on Finish Assessment. Please note that you cannot return to your assessment once you have clicked this button. Once you have clicked on the Finish Assessment button, you should see this screen. Well done, you have completed Part 2 of your Essential Digital Skills assessment.